If you own a farm, you're gonna want to see this. There's a new trend in agriculture that is all about going green, and it's taking off. Literally, one of the best ways a farm can cut its energy costs forever is by going solar. A new report from the Congressional Budget Office found that farms that use solar power save an average of 92% on their energy bills. In fact, the report says that over 160,000 farms across the country have already switched to solar, which makes up about 7% of all U.S. farms. Now that's a lot of tractors they're powering with the sun. And it's easy to see why more and more farmers are going solar. The upfront cost of installing solar panels has dropped by 35% just since 2020. And with more government incentives than ever before, farmers can get most of the cost back. Plus, once the panels are installed, they require very little maintenance and can produce electricity for decades. The report found that the most common use for solar energy on farms is to power irrigation. That makes a lot of sense since water pumps are one of the biggest energy hogs on any farm. But farmers are also using solar to power other equipment like grain augers, tractors, and even livestock. Now, there are some challenges when it comes to using solar on a farm. For one, farmers need a lot of energy, and so they often need to install a lot of panels. In the Midwest, where a lot of farming takes place, there's also the issue of clouds. When the sky is overcast, solar panels obviously don't produce as much energy. But there's a new technology that is being developed that could help farmers overcome these challenges. It's called agrivoltaics, which combines solar panels with farming. So instead of using one or the other, farmers can use both. Agrivoltaics can increase a farm's energy production by 70% and can reduce costs by 20%. So what are some examples of agrivoltaics in action? Well, one company is developing floating solar panels that can be installed on ponds or lakes on a farm. This way, the panels don't take up any space on land and they can take advantage of the water's natural cooling properties. Another company is developing solar panels that can be raised above crops so that sunlight can reach the plants below. This not only generates electricity, but it can also provide farmers with valuable data about their crops. So whether it's floating solar panels, raised solar panels, or anything in between, agrivoltaics is poised to help farmers take their energy production to the next level. This video was made possible by a major solar company. They're a leading provider of clean energy solutions for homes and businesses.